we all left our day jobs. So we're all doing music full time.
We'll work our way.
We'll work our way up.
Yeah.
Step by
Step
step.
by step.
Para sumakses.
At our core, indie band pa rin naman talaga kami. Ikot, enjoy basing success. So with that, pati yung band, that full. So yung mga ganitong opportunities, mainstream opportunities. Hello Philippines Star viewers!
I'm Janessa.
I'm Jorik. I'm Anton. And Lua.
I'm Josh, and
We're over October!
overwhelmed.
We're still in disbelief. Na-sold out siya in 2 hours.
Yeah.
We weren't expecting that, honestly.
Even if it was given the fact na libre siya,
Yeah.
na people would claim it lang easily, we were still assuming na siguro 1 week bago maubos yung 3,000 na ticket.
Realistically, na-expect namin kay 100 yung bubot.
Oh, maybe like that much. But then, gulat kami na, yun, right after we posted, bigla na lang, we were just receiving updates na ubos na. So we're like, what? Are you sure? Baka naman 300 lang yung nilagay. Kulang ng 0 or something. Kaya, yun, ubos na daw lahat. So, grabe. So, we ended up adding 500 more just to...
And then when we released that, na-cash nila yung app.
Oh, when we released the 500,
Ito dami pa kasing
because of all the traffic, nag-crash yung app. Yeah, and then afterwards, they were able to put it back up. And then as soon as it went back up, ubos na rin agad. Yeah, crazy. So, ngayon, inisip na, dapat pinabayad na natin sila. I don't know. We had a concert last year at the
Music Museum.
Museum. But may pay naman yun. And thankfully, sold out na rin siya. It was 2 days. We've performed in Araneta, but
not as a
not yet our concert.
Baka New Frontier muna.
Oh, mga New Frontiers.
We'll work our way.
We'll work our way up.
Yeah.
Step by
Step
step.
by step.
Para sumakses.
Parang siyang hangout. Parang hangout. Yeah. We've been doing these hangouts every 2 months or quarterly for the past year or two, maybe past 2 years.
Yeah.
It's really just a way of for us to get to know the fans on a more personal level.
Yeah.
Para mabigyan namin ng mukha yung mga accounts online.
Mhm.
Si ano pala to? Siya yung laging nag-mention sa amin.
Comment.
Oo.
Kind of-
So, to connect with them on a more personal level.
Yes.
And to also give back, because I mean that's the main reason why we wanted it to be free, because we wanted to really thank the fans who have played a really huge role in where we are right now as a band.
She more of a community night. Siguro, and that was a team.
Yeah, merch then we'll have some merch as well, new merch, so that's exciting. We've been in the industry for 11 years, but then I think in the mainstream industry, probably been like 2 years pa lang. More of indie talaga siya, underground, you might say. Yeah, a lot of growing pains. A lot of change.
I think it's more of a on how we treat the shows now. Of course, sineryoso namin lahat ng shows even back then. But now, back then nga we call it gigs. But now, we make it a point to, at least I make it a point to call it the show kasi buong show experiencing yung in-offer natin.
Yeah.
Down from the lights, the LEDs. Dati kasi parang generic ano lang yung para ma-flash dun sa LED. Now, we make an effort para mag-match yung music and the visuals.
I think in general lang kasi the mainstream market is bigger and yung expectations are also bigger. Kasi mga big names din yung mga nandun eh. So we really had to learn how to perform better.
Yeah.
Parang yung mga ibang elements na not just for the music to be better in itself. So we also like got more people involved sa production namin.
Invested more in gear for us to sound
Yeah.
better.
Parang bigger investment on our part compared to sa small gigs lang na pwede small setup lang. So kailangan din bigger shows, bigger setup.
The logistics of it.
Yeah. Yung venues that we usually play at are just like small venues here in Metro Manila. May mga occasional venues outside. Pero when nag-pop nga yung hit naming Ikot, parang dumami din yung opportunities namin to play in like bigger and farther shows within the Philippines. So in that sense, yun yung tinutukoy namin naging mainstream kami. Not necessarily our sound, kasi our sound I think is still authentic too. Like yung identity namin. Pero
Yeah.
yun, kumalat lang din talaga yung song namin to a wider audience.
At our core, indie band pa rin naman talaga kami.
Yeah.
We were independent, we're self-managed, but Kat, yung manager natin, we have a small team to help us out. It just so happened that Ikot enjoyed mainstream success. So with that, pati yung band got full. So yung mga ganitong opportunities, mainstream opportunities. Music-wise, it's really just all these nabuhat namin. It's kung nasa era kami in our lives sa mga pinapakinggan rin namin. Kasi we take it, gano'n naman usually, mga musicians may mga influences yan.
Yeah.
All artists have their own influences. So the songs that we put out currently is kung ano yung current influences na I would say, yung pinapakinggan namin or kung ano yung gusto namin itay na sound. So we evolve in that sense. Should we work with more people?
Yeah. And then siguro as a group, like what Janessa mentioned a while ago, we've really tried to upgrade as well our performances.
Yeah.
So ngayon na we were able to purchase more equipment that would make us sound better. Really investing in ourselves as well. Not taking it seriously. As I guess the biggest transition as well is we all left our day jobs. So we're all doing music full time now that we're mainstream, diba? So parang that's probably the biggest change as well. But yeah, it's more investing on ourselves as well because kasi parang ito lang yung pangkabahayan na namin you know. So it's really investing in ourselves talaga.
And like as growing as musicians and as artists din, parang we decided at some point, parang okay, let's try using synths for this song, let's try doing this and that. So trying new things as musicians and as artists din, in terms of our performance, in terms of like the visual aspect of our shows. We're trying to improve day after day. Like it's the best thing we can do for ourselves.
We started in college. So college band kami. Tumutugtog lang kami muna dun sa school. And then slowly we started getting invited in mga events outside of the school, playing in food parks. Nung usang-usang pa yung food parks dati.
Di ba sign up pa yun Tapos pag napili ka, okay, gawa kami.
So doon kami, tapos we started getting invited sa mga bars. And then from bars to bigger events, school events, other schools, hindi na school namin. Tapos mga yun. Tapos palaki yung mga events. And then after that, and at the same time, we would just continuously release music. And then finally, in just 2 years ago, we released Ikot, which was a huge success. And now we're here.
Actually, part of the earlier experiences then, we're signing up for open mics para lang mapakalat namin yung original music namin. And what we did then for the concert is nagpa-sign up kami ng open mics for for our fans kung may mga starting artists dito.
Yeah.
Give them a platform to share the music, their art dun sa hangout concert natin, /concert natin.
Siguro for me, I think it would be good communication with each other.
Yeah.
Na we really try to talk about everything, have the hard conversations. Hindi namin, we don't sweep things under the rug. Kaya parang pag may tampuhan, pinapag-uusapan namin. And then also, kapag may tampuhan yung ibang members na hindi naman kami kasama, we try to mediate, help, you know, para ma-remedy kung ano man yung nangyayari. And yun lang, I guess through the years then we learned the ropes then, each other's ropes, na parang what pisses people off, what ticks people off, you know. So we try to, parang family dynamic na siya. So ganun na siya.
11 years na, imposible kami nagkakatampuhan or nagkaka-rough patches. Pero I think the fact that we're able to overcome those conflicts para made us stronger.
Yeah.
I think that's also what, for me, I take pride in that na maayos kami mag-communicate sa isa't isa. Whether it be small arguments or yung creative arguments pagdating sa kanta or sa pera.
Yeah.
Nawag-usapan namin.
Yeah, I think it's mostly that. We're not afraid, or although we are afraid to have hard conversations, we still have the hard conversations. Kasi if you don't, it will talaga, it will fall apart.
Well, first,
It's our birthday. We were the starters of the band. Loa asked me to form the band. Loa asked if I wanted to be a part of the band that he was forming. And then, yeah, we were trying to figure out things that we had in common. So, other than both our names are Josh kasi, our first names are Josh. Parang we didn't want it naman to be Josh and Josh kasi parang hindi maganda yung Josh and Josh. It didn't sound that way. Hindi Ben and Ben. Parang maganda yung Ben and Ben.
Josh o Josh lang.
Josh o Josh. Parang Di ba? Parang hindi siya, ano. So we were trying to think of what else we had in common and then it just so happened na both of our birthdays nasa October. So sabi na, something with October. O, isip tayo, hangover October. Pangit pa, hindi child friendly, di ba? So, sober October, hindi pa na. Then, over October. Then, that's what we stuck.
Yeah.
One, two, three. Pasmadong kamay, naiilang pag nagkatinginan. Ika'y umapay, puso ko'y biglang natunaw. Bakit pa naiisip tuluyan? Ang nahumaling kung wala tong ibig sabihin saan patungo. Dahan, dahan nahulog sa'yo. Dahan, dahan patungo sa'yo. One, two, three. Pasmadong kamay, naiilang pag nagkatinginan. Ika'y umapay, puso ko'y biglang natunaw. Bakit